Chic bathroom decor tips. A chic bathroom blends elegance, functionality, and style to create a luxurious and refreshing space. Whether you have a small or large bathroom, the right decor choices can transform it into a sophisticated retreat. Here are some stylish decor tips to achieve a chic bathroom. 1. Neutral and elegant color palette. Opt for soft neutrals like white, beige, gray, or pastels to create a clean and sophisticated look. Add depth with darker tones like navy, charcoal, or black in accents such as towels, cabinets, or decor pieces. 2. Stylish vanity and storage solutions. A sleek vanity with ample storage keeps the bathroom organized and elegant. Floating vanities create a modern, airy feel, while vintage-inspired vanities add character. Use chic storage baskets, glass jars, or built-in shelves to keep essentials neatly arranged. 3. Statement mirrors for elegance. A large or uniquely framed mirror enhances the style of the bathroom while making the space feel bigger and brighter. Choose frameless, gold-edged, or geometric-shaped mirrors for a chic and modern touch. For luxurious lighting fixtures, upgrade standard lighting with stylish sconces, pendant lights, or backlit mirrors. Soft, warm lighting creates a spa-like ambience, while crystal or gold finish fixtures add a touch of luxury. 5. High-quality towels and accessories. Plush, well-coordinated towels elevate the overall decor. Opt for neutral or muted tones, and neatly display them on open shelves or towel racks. Elegant soap dispensers, trays, and matching accessories add a polished touch. 6. Elegant tile and wall treatments. Marble, subway tiles, or patterned ceramic tiles bring sophistication to bathroom walls and floors. If tiling isn't an option, use moisture-resistant wallpaper or wall panels to add texture and charm. 7. Minimalist and stylish decor. Keep decor minimal yet impactful. A small vase with fresh flowers, scented candles, or a decorative tray with luxury bath products creates a refined atmosphere. Wall art or framed prints can add character without cluttering the space. 8. Greenery for a fresh touch. Indoor plants like ferns, pothos, or succulents thrive in bathroom humidity and add a fresh, natural element. Place them on countertops, floating shelves, or hanging planters to enhance the chic aesthetic. Conclusion: a chic bathroom is all about elegance, simplicity, and thoughtful design. By incorporating stylish colors, high-end finishes, and well-chosen accessories, you can create a refined and relaxing bathroom space.